Buonasera, paisani. Welcome to another episode of Big Mamas Gather live right here on Instagram. This is episode number 32. Can you believe it? I've been doing this for 32 weeks. And, well, I heard last week, that somebody else is going to be starting live streaming on Instagram. I guess when you're this popular and you have good ideas, it's only natural people are going to copy you. This person accused me of copying them with the Sicilian word. And now it's funny how the tables have turned and now they're copying me. I guess when you don't have, imagination and creativity, you have to copy other people. So that's fine. But hey, it doesn't bother me. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing, and I'm going to keep entertaining and informing my viewers and my followers. And I'm happy to say I'm almost at 6,500 followers. So thank you very much for following me. Thank you for your support. And most of all, thank you for being part of my live audience. I do this every week for your entertainment, for your information. Most of all, it's more for you to have an outlet, to get away from your daily routine, to get away from whatever you're doing or whatever's bothering you, just to distract you and entertain, make you laugh. And, well, it's working. I've been doing it for 32 weeks, and I'm not going to stop anytime soon. Next week, I'll be having a guest if all goes well. So it'll be interesting for you as well as for me. I get to know people around the city, outside the city, and anywhere else. So if you want to join on my live, if you have a topic you want to discuss, please don't be shy. Contact me in private, and I'll put you in, and we can discuss whatever's on your mind, whatever topic you want to discuss. But remember, I stay away from politics. I try not to go near politics. So if you want to talk politics, no. If you want to talk about, current events, what's going on right now, how you're dealing with certain issues like mental health or isolation because of this virus, then feel free to contact me. I'm open and willing to have you on and discuss the topic with you. As you can see, my hair is out of whack. I moussed it tonight because I really don't know how to fix it. It's in between lengths. It's not too short. It's not too long. It's got tidal waves because I have curly hair. So tonight I just moussed it, and I'm so happy that next week I'm gonna get a haircut. Finally, yesterday it was announced by the Prime Minister of Quebec that the non-essential services will be opening. So that's good. It means I get a haircut. It means I get to go wax. I get to go do my nails, even though I broke two of them. Look at that. They just broke right off. I hate winter for that. My nails just crack and they break. So, yeah, I'm very happy about that. I'm sure a lot of people here in Montreal, in Quebec, are very happy about this announcement that things are going to be slowly opening up. The numbers are low. But like I said already in another live, they only count the number of cases. They're not counting the number of recovered people who got it. They're not it doesn't add up. But anyway, that's their way of doing it. Fine. I just go with it, and I'm happy that I can get out. I'm not crazy about the curfew staying. I really don't like the curfew, but it is what it is. And listen, we have to wave it out. We have to sit it out. But I am happy that more things are opening up. We can be more mobile. We can go out. The motivation is there. I've been on a downer. Like I said, I hate winter. I hate the cold. I hate having to go out, putting on the boots, the jacket, the gloves, the warming up the car, taking the snow off the car. It's just such a big workout that I say, you know what, forget it. I'm not going out. So I spend most of my days at home on my treadmill or on the couch. And it's very hard to stay on a diet and not munch and not snack. I'm sure a lot of you are dealing with this. Many people have said that they've gained weight over the year because of this confinement, because of having to work from home, because of not being able to go out and socialize or even go to the gym because the gyms are closed and they're staying closed. So it takes a strain on you at the end of the day. And it's not encouraging if someone wants to stay fit or if somebody wants to lose a bit of weight. So it's a daily struggle. I mean, the temptation is there, the snacks are there, you're in the house all day with them, and your mind is saying, go get it, go get it, go get it. And your willpower is saying, no, don't. So it's very hard to stay within a nutritional or a healthy lifestyle. So if you're dealing with this, you want to talk about it, you can come on. I put up a challenge this week to walk 3,000 to 5,000 steps. I know it's not a lot, but for someone who's home all day and not mobile, it's a lot because I do it on the treadmill. And let me tell you, treadmill and walking outside, not the same thing. And because I don't like the cold, I will not go outside bundled up and take a walk. It's just not me. So I spend my days on the treadmill and I do my treadmill and I watch my TV while I do the treadmill. And I do have a sweat. I do sweat it out. So I'm trying my best to lose some weight. I need to lose another 20 pounds. I see videos. I mean, you know how Instagram and Facebook gives you your memories of past years. And I see my face and I'm like this. I was so big. I didn't realize it. And I know I still have a double chin. It's still there. But it's going down, and I got another 20 pounds to go. I lost 60 so far. You know, I had lost 65, almost 68, but you know, that 5 pounds keeps coming and going, and it just plays with you. And then you reach a plateau and you get discouraged. It's not easy. Anyone who is struggling with weight loss or struggling with their weight period knows what I'm talking about and knows what I'm going through. But you know what? This is why I put out the challenge. It's not a lot of steps. 3,000 steps is really not a lot. But it's a challenge that you can motivate yourself into, getting fit and healthier and eating healthier as well. F1 Motorsports, no carbs, but it's hard for us Italians. Yes, absolutely. I love pasta. Any kind of pasta, I love my pasta. So not to have pasta is a big, it's a big fight for me. I like my pasta, I like my bread, I like my pizza, I like my carbs. But I don't have it. If I do have it, because, you know, you can't deprive yourself all the time. I do have it. I'll have it on the weekend, but I limit my portion. I'll have just a taste rather than a plate. Because at the end of the day, you're still eating it. The quantity doesn't really matter. So you still satisfy your urge and your craving, but you're not eating as much in order to gain weight. But me, I just look at food and I gain it. And I have a sweet tooth, and that's not good either. So, you got to take it as it is. I'm healthy, I'm mobile, I'm happy, and that's what counts. As you saw on my posts, I had Pirino ice cream, which, oh my God, is to die for. The flavors are so, smack on. I tried the tiramisu, and it's like I was eating tiramisu. I tried the bubble gum. It tasted exactly like bubble gum. These guys have the recipe down to a T. It is amazing. I suggest you go buy yourself some ice cream. Their granita, it's like you're in Italy. What I did was I got some brioche from Uncle Joey's Catering, and I put the ice cream inside, and wow. I closed my eyes. I was in Italy. It is amazing. So you guys have to go check out Pierino. They're at 1880 Jean Talon East in Montreal. And Uncle Joey's Catering, you can find him on Instagram to order your brioche, your cannolis, your bomboloni. And let me tell you, it's a great combo. So I really enjoyed that. I didn't have a lot of it, but I did taste a little bit of everything, and it was satisfying. I didn't, go overboard on eating the ice cream, but it is very good, and it's very tempting. And but like I said, I had my cheat day. I had a bit of ice cream. I had the brioche, which is a lot of carbs, but it was worth it. I hadn't had one in a long time. And you know what? At the end of the day, I did my walking, my workout, so I didn't feel so bad. You don't feel so guilty after that. So, guys, I just want to thank you all once again. Thank you for being on my live. Thank you for being my live audience. Thank you for following me on Instagram. I encourage you all, if you haven't already, to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana, Learn Sicilian, one word at a time. I have 2 accounts. So the other account where there's less followers is the one I'm trying to eliminate. So do not subscribe to that one. Subscribe to the other one. The background picture is Italians of Montreal e Amici. The smaller picture is my flag, my logo. So it's very easy to find. I encourage you all to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I always post Sicilian words, Sicilian dialect words, how I was taught them and how I pronounce them and how I assume it's written. My spelling may not always be right, so don't take my word for it 100%. I'm doing my best to do it and to write it out for you. Now in my videos, because I had so many requests, I add in the spelling of the word and I pronounce it in the video for your benefit, so you can take notes and write it down. So I do all this. I don't have to do all this. I mean, seriously, I really don't have to. I do it all for you guys. I do it all for your entertainment, for your learning, for your knowledge, and most of all, I do it to keep the Sicilian language alive. I really treasure and cherish my Sicilian heritage. I am a proud Sicilian. I always say it, I should have been born there, but I was born here in Montreal. But nonetheless, it's in my blood, it's in my veins, and I am a very proud Sicilian. I may not always post it, but if you get to know me and if you know me, you know that I'm a very typical Sicilian with very strong values, morals, and beliefs. So that's who I am. Pitbull, hi Pitbull, Pitbull Cigars. Go check him out if you need cigars. He's got great cigars. I don't smoke cigars, so sorry. I'll probably have one once in a while, just a couple of puffs if I'm on vacation. But right now with this cold, it's not even enjoyable. So Pitbull, yeah, hi. I'm doing well, thank you. Anna Borsellino, this lady. I mean, I've never met her. Anna, we have to meet. This lady likes all my posts. She encourages me. She sends me messages, hearts, and likes. Thank you, Anna. A big shout out to Anna Borsellino. Thank you very much. I love seeing my followers join on the live. It's just amazing the support that I have. I got messages from Germany. I don't like to post all the messages because I don't know if the other person is okay with it or not. But I got messages from Germany saying that when she hears me talk Sicilian, she feels like she's surrounded by her family members that she's lost, that she doesn't see. And she told me, she goes, say, come una di famiglia. I'm like one of her family members. There's another follower that I have who's all the way in United Kingdom. And he told me, you're like an aunt to me. I've never met this guy. He's like, you're like an aunt to me. And I find that you're so easy to talk to. You're so sociable. That's who I am. If you have met me and if you have been around me, you know that I'll make you feel comfortable. I will not judge you at all. I'm not one to judge. And I will do anything to help anyone. And if you saw what I did on Monday, it goes to show exactly who I am. I brought a coffee to a construction worker on the road. He looked so pitiful. He looked like he was freezing to death. So I went to Tim Hortons. I got him a coffee and I brought him a coffee. At first, he told me off because I was on his construction site. But then when I showed up with the coffee, he's like, "Oh, thank you so much." So I kind of brightened up his day, and I'm sure he went and tell his family that he, some stranger gave him a coffee. But that's just who I am. Many times I'll go to a drive-through, whether it be McDonald's or Tim Hortons, and I'll pay for the coffee of the person behind me, whether whether they're ordering a coffee or not. Well, they have one from me, and the cashier is going to tell them, the person in front of you paid you a coffee. R.U. Cat. Yikumbari. Yes, you like the comedy of Yikumbari. Yes, Yikumbari is an amazing, amazing series on YouTube. You can watch all the episodes. I can say balls. Yes, palle. A lot of palle. Yikumbari has evolved so much. I've been with them for 2 years. And when I see the first episodes and the ones now, there is such a big difference. We've improved as actors because we have no experience. We've improved the camera quality, the video quality, the sound quality. And this all thanks to Louis, our producer and cameraman. And we're just going to bigger and better things. And I'm not going to let it out, but we're planning something really soon for Valentine's Day. So stay tuned to Yikumbari and listen in on what we're planning to do for you to brighten up your day. Every Monday we're on the radio with Pulse Radio. We get interviewed. The cast is always there on Pulse Radio, live on Facebook, and then he reposts it. Ryan always reposts the video so you can watch it at your leisure. And it's just to make people aware not only of the series, but of who we are as people, who we are, like what we're all about. You're a cast member, you're an actor, but who is that person in reality? So it's basically getting to know the person and then seeing them in character. You'll know that the character goes with the person. It's kind of hard to explain, but watch the series, listen in and watch the lives with Pulse Radio, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. So all this to say, I'm very involved in entertaining and spreading kindness and positivity. My posts are all about that. Yes, I post a lot. but I post because I know someone somewhere is going through something, and I just want to brighten up their day and give them a little hope. Hope is a small word, but it's got a lot of meaning, and we all need hope, especially during these times. There's a lot of people going through so much. They already have their plate full what they're going through, and then this virus, kind of got added on. And some people are overwhelmed. A lot of lives are being lost because people are taking their lives because they feel overwhelmed, and anxiety and depression kicks in. And so I'm doing all this not only to raise awareness, but to tell you all out there, everyone out there, that you're loved, you're valued, and you matter. So if you're thinking of, dark thoughts, don't. Don't. Just reach out to somebody, and I'm sure someone will be willing and able to listen to you, encourage you, and give you hope. And this is what I do with my posts, because I don't know all my followers, but I do know that everybody's got problems. And if my post cheers them up or hits home for them and gives them a bit of hope, well, I've accomplished my mission. And again, my humor is always there. I deal with problems with humor. So that's my coping mechanism. And I hope that you find comfort and hope to cope with what you're going through my videos, through my posts, through what I'm doing. Because I don't have to do this. I could be, sitting on the couch watching TV, but I take the time to come live for you, my audience, to encourage you, to give you hope, to spread kindness, to tell you that, you know what, today may have been a bad day, but it doesn't mean you have a bad life. Everybody has bad days. I got bad days too. Dealing with depression and anxiety, it's not easy to face the day. So I just want to tell you that you're not alone. Sometimes we feel very lonely. We feel like we're the only ones going through what we're going through. Well, no, you're not alone, and you're not going through this alone. Reach out to someone you trust, a friend, a family member. And if you don't have those people around you, then reach out to professionals. There are hotlines, there are numbers where, again, you're not judged, you're being helped. And it's not something that's a bad when you ask for help. It doesn't mean that you're weak. It's not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength that you realize, hey, I need help and I'm going to go get it. So please, if you need help, I urge you, I encourage you, and I support you in getting that help that you need, because we all matter. All lives matter. All people are valued. And it doesn't matter who you are or what color your skin is. We are all under the same sun. We all sleep under the same moon. So we should all be able to, live in harmony. People are jealous. They're conceited. They feel that they're higher than everyone else. No, that doesn't happen with me. I am just a regular person, and I want to stay humble. And I've told everyone that's close to me, if you see that what I'm doing gets to my head, let me know. I'm going to stop it, because I don't want to be that person. I don't want to be that sophisticated person that thinks that I'm above everyone else. No, I'm just like everyone else. I'm human. I can die tomorrow. I can live 100 years. We don't know. We're all human. We all make mistakes, and we're all in the same boat. Why should one person be superior to another? No, that doesn't happen in my world. I don't know if it happens in yours, but not in mine. So all this to say, yes, people are copying me. People are taking my ideas. It pisses me off. Yeah, sure, it does piss me off, especially when I'm being accused of copying them. But you know what? At the end of the day, it's fine. People will see. If people are smart enough to realize it, people are smart enough to see through, then people choose what they want to see, who they want to support and who they want to follow. But just a little suggestion. Just because somebody has 25,000 followers doesn't mean that they're all real. Check out their follower list, and you'll see that if there's no picture and no activity in the account, it's a fake account that was bought. So those numbers mean nothing. If you look at my account, they're all real people. 90% of my followers talk to me. They interact with my posts. So yes, I have only 6,500, not even followers, but they're all real. I don't need 30,000 followers. It doesn't mean anything to me. Look, I got maybe 20 people watching me right now, and that's fine. The numbers don't mean anything to me. What I need is that one person gets affected by what I'm saying. One person gets encouraged by what I'm doing. That's all that counts. That one person. It's not the 30,000 followers. I don't care. Because anyway, it's not like I'm making money out of this. I don't. This is a pastime for me, and it motivates me to do more because I'm helping people without even knowing it. Lina Di Carlo, you rock, mama. Thank you. Carmen Miliotto, thumbs up. Thank you very much. This is who I am. I don't look at the numbers. I look at the feedback. I look at the people that like my videos, that watch my videos, and that respond to them, telling me, you know what? I needed to hear this today. I needed to read this post today. Keep doing what you're doing. You're amazing. Like Anna Borsellino, this lady is wonderful. I have her and somebody else, I forgot the name, who's always like, anytime I put up a post, there's a comment or a thumbs up or a heart from them. And it shows me that they're paying attention. And that's all I need. I need people to pay attention to what I'm saying. What I'm saying is a real issue. I'm talking about mental health. I'm talking about anxiety. I'm talking about, depression. I'm talking about people getting suicidal because they don't know where to turn. Well, hello, I'm here. I'm telling you, you can turn to a friend, a family member, or a service, a public service. You can get help. And it's okay to ask for help. You're not crazy. You just need help. You need that boost. You need support. Team TMA 365, you're so honest. I love you. Thank you very much, TMA. But that's who I am. See, my post today put, just because you know my name doesn't mean you know me. And that's so true. I mean, that rings a bell in me, because a lot of people know me by name, but they don't know who I am. They don't know what I'm all about. All they know me is through my posts. But I don't post my whole life on social media or on Instagram. I post certain things. I can't have a camera on my forehead all day to show people what I'm doing and who I'm helping. And I'm not posting what I'm doing because I want flowers thrown to me. I'm not posting it because I want to brag about it. No, I'm posting it so that people follow by example. The way people are copying my posts and copying my ideas of going live, I want them to copy the fact that you can share kindness and you can be kind to a stranger. This is what I want to underline. This is what I want people to copy. If you're going to copy something from me, copy being kind. Copy being a human to humans. Copy being compassionate. Show compassion. Show that you're not judgmental. Don't judge people by what they look like. Judge them from who they are. And to know who they are, you got to get to know the person. Not just their name, not just what they look like, not their face, and not even their Instagram or Facebook account. Get to know them as a person. Now, people want to copy, go ahead and copy. I really don't care. But like I said, copy what I'm doing. Copy the good stuff. Don't just copy stuff just to say that, oh, I got nothing to post, I'm going to go live. Or I got nothing to post, I'm going to take her post and post it. No. Copy the good stuff. Copy the kindness. Do a gesture of kindness. Show kindness. Show compassion. Show people that they matter. We're not just numbers. We're people. We have names, we have identities, and we have a soul. Be kind to those souls. That's my message. Now, people want to copy, go ahead and copy. But I would appreciate if you would tag me at least on my post, because it comes from me. But that's okay. It's fine. It's social media. Posts are a dime a dozen. I could post it, and 300 other people could post it. It doesn't matter. What matters is who it touches, and who it affects, and who it's going to encourage. That's why I do what I do. So, it's 8:25. I want to keep it short and simple so that it's easier for me to repost the live on all my social media platforms. I want to thank you all for being part of my live audience. Again, I will remind you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. But most of all, be kind to one another. Take care of each other. And if you want to be on my live, if you want to be my guest, I will be more than honored to have you on. If you want to talk about a certain subject, a certain topic, if you want to promote yourself, if you want to promote your business, your talent, what have you. If you want to be a guest, I'm always open to guests contacting me, and I'll have them on. It's my pleasure. I'll get to know you just like everybody else will get to know you. And it'll put you out there. It'll promote you. It'll give you visibility. And it's all for a good cause. It's to help local businesses. It's to help each other. So this is what I'm all about. So if you want to be part of my live, just contact me, Anna Borsellino. Thank you for this live. You're very welcome, Anna. I do it every week, and I will be back. Pesca Julia. Love you. I love you too, Julia. I miss you. Julia is one of the students at Galileo Adult Center. I miss going there and visiting the students there. So next week I'll have another guest for your entertainment. I do this every week for you to find an outlet to just, get away from your day, your week. I want to wish you all a good rest of the week, a good weekend. Next week, I'll have my hair cut, so I'll look a lot better. I won't look this ratchet. So please join me next week for another Big Mama's Live. Big Mamas Gather live on Instagram. I do this to gather people because even though we're far apart, I want us to get together. So we are together apart. Love you all. Thank you very much. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu, everybody.